Today we've got an MSI Suprim 4090 in for repair with a melted power connector. Look at the thermal paste. The paste is completely dried. It dripped down and hardened. This GPU was probably mounted vertically. Looks like someone already tried to remove the connector and failed. I'm using low melt solder to safely remove the connector without damaging the PCB any further. And just like that, the connector comes right off. Yeah, this connector is absolutely cooked. Let's clean the PCB with isopropyl alcohol and see how bad the damage really is. And it's actually not that bad. The sense pin traces are still intact. I'm installing a new connector using leaded solder for a more reliable joint. I like using soldering tweezers. I can hold the pin and feel it move, so I know the solder has flowed through to the other side, and the joint is solid. Final step, clean it up with isopropyl for a perfect finish. I'll cover the damaged areas from the previous repair with solder mask. And that's it. Repair done. If your GPU has a burned connector or issues, contact Zap Fixers. We offer mail-in repairs nationwide.